Thanks, Danny, and greetings everyone who's joined today. I'm really excited to really highlight how Hall can really, at the end of the day, help you really manage the compliance, maintenance, and safety of your organization. As Danny alluded to, there's just a lot of things that go on, not only on the driver's side, but also the back office side. As a fleet operator, you need to make sure that your drivers, your assets are road ready and ready for dispatch. And that's primarily the number one thing we focus here at Hall. Hall really is focused on making sure that your fleet as an organization, your drivers as core personnel and team members, and your assets are compliant with DOT standards, but also compliant with internal compliance standards you've set up to make sure that you're operating to the best of your ability. Some of the tactical things that Hall provides out of the box is the ability to, one, manage driver qualification files of your drivers. We really help taking the nuanced management of drug and alcohol program management and really help fleets to self-serve. I think a lot of times when fleets are out there on the road, they always have to say, if I was pulled over today, would a DOT officer put me out of service? And so being able to understand how the federal government is looking at you and say, hey, is this a risky fleet? Should I pull them over? It's one of the cornerstones of what we focus on in giving visibility to CSA data and basic scores for our fleets. And when we touch about vehicle maintenance and automated alerts, these go hand in hand, where at the end of the day, we have a lot of things that we have to manage and even more equipment. So being able to make sure that you're getting ahead of any annual inspections that are due of your tractor, your trailer, or any vehicle, but also making sure that you're getting ahead and going a step further to making sure that you're not just following the guidelines, but also getting ahead of them. So, because at the end of the day, a truck that's not operational is a truck that's not generating revenue for your operations.